In this video, I'm going to show you how to generate a homepage. By default, the installation comes with a homepage already built. You can just edit any sections within. But for this example, we're going to create a new one. So we're going to click on Create New Page. Give the homepage a title. I'm going to click Continue. Now the homepage has been generated with the basic layout. So we have the header. This is the header. We have the home. Below the home we have the listings. Then we have the about section. Below the about section we have the neighborhoods. Then the feature gallery, testimonials, and last, the footer. We can also move the sections up and down by clicking on the arrows. If we need another section, we can click here to add new sections to our homepage. We can also change the theme. If we click on this pencil icon, we can change the font, the title color, the style of the button, and the color, the loader. You can apply custom styles. We can also change the favicon of our website. We can also edit or change the title of the website in the search results and the description, along with the social media share. That will be what other people see when you share your website. And if we go back, I'll show you how to preview. So first you need to activate in order to preview your homepage. So we're going to activate homepage that we created. We click on preview and it's going to take us to the preview of our homepage. The other way to preview your homepage is by clicking on the homepage, and within we have the option on top to preview your homepage. So if we click here, it's going to take us to the preview of the homepage that we created. And this is how you generate the homepage.